Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 22 from chapter 29 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to calculate the frequency in hertz, and we have the energy of a gamma ray photon. So let's make our list of what we know. Okay, we know the energy is 1.00 mega electron volts, and we need the frequency. Okay, it's a photon, so the energy is h times f, where h is Planck's constant. Solving for f gives the energy divided by Planck's constant h. Okay, so the energy is 1.00. I'm going to trade the mega for a times 10 to the 6, and then we will have electron volts. Okay, Planck's constant can come in either joules times seconds or electron volts times seconds, so we'll use that version of it. It is 4.14 times 10 to the minus 15 electron volts times seconds. Now the electron volts cancel. We're left with 1 over seconds, which is the hertz that we need. Did the calculation, and I got 2.42 times 10 to the 20 hertz. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.